After you get your bike where you want it, as far as hose down with water and everything clean, start from the top and work your way down to the wheels with a good or just a, you can use a chamois, or I'm just using a towel here. And then after I get this all wiped down where I want it, if you have an air compressor, that's another good thing if you can blow it dry, but you want to make sure that you don't blow water into any sealed parts like the air filter or the headlights where it shouldn't be. So I'm going to get this all wiped down, and then I'm going to show you my secret trick for making my bikes absolutely perfect looking. I just found this out and I don't know why I didn't do it years ago. Okay, I'll show you the trick in the next video.